Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our today's topic is Assignment-1. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is Assignment-1 and this is the Part-2. In our previous class, lecture number 33, we have already discussed some question answer about this assignment. Today, I will discuss the another part of this assignment. And this is lecture number 34. So, dear student, let us start today's class. In assignment 1, and you can see here is a question and this is your cover page. You have to fill up all information of this cover page, that means assignment number, subject name, your topic name and your name, class, section, roll number, shift and submission date. And you can see your submission date is, here is 2 date, 15, 11, 20 and 16, 11, 20. Here is 2 date of submission of this assignment. And here is the task, assign task and assignment is question. Here is a STEM, question 1. There are many viruses, bacteria, fungi and entamoeba in the world. Not all of them have the same structure and characteristics. Among them, there are some viruses and bacteria in nature which do good and harm to human being. 1 number question was amoebic dysentery is caused by which organism? In our previous class, we have discussed about this 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. 2 number question was why are bacteria called primitive? And 3 number was explain in plants the diseases caused by the first microorganisms in that is mentioned in the STEM. That means this viruses, diseases name created by viruses. And the 4 number question was analyze the economic significance of the second microorganisms mentioned in the STEM. If we see this STEM, we can see here is the second organism is bacteria. That means we have to write down the economic significance of bacteria. And short question is here 1 number, why is fungi called saprophytic? And 2 number question is why is virus called acellular organism? Today we will discuss here 4 number and short question 1 and 2. 4 number question was analyze the economic significance of second microorganism. That means here is second organism is bacteria. Bacteria mentioned in the STEM. That means we have to analyze the economic significance of bacteria. I have written here a demo answer. Analyze the economic significance of the second microorganism mentioned in the STEM. Here is economic significance of second microorganism. According to the STEM, the second microorganism is bacteria. Dear student, in your book, if you open this book, you can find the answer. Some points you can write from here. This is page number 3, usefulness of bacteria. And here is the other point in page number 4. I have written here some points. You can see economic significance of bacteria. 1 number point I have written here helps in removing jute fibers. 2 number point is used in preparation of curds. 3 number point is preparation of life-saving antibiotics from bacteria. And you can write, you can add more points here. I have written here 3 points and you can write more points like this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can write more points as you wish, but you have to write the correct information about economic significance of bacteria. Now short question answer. Short question answer. The question was, why is fungi called saprophytic? Why is fungi called saprophytic? If you see in your book page number 4 number page, you can see here is the answer and you can describe more, and I have written here the answer, short answer question. Why is fungi called saprophytic? Why is fungi called saprophytic? Do you know what is saprophytic? Fungi are here. If I have written here demo answer, fungi are non-green thallophytic plants. Fungi are non-green, that means they are not green. Thallophytic means, that means we cannot divide their body into leaf, stem or root. So fungi are non-green thallophytic plants. They cannot take part in photosynthesis because they do not have chlorophyll. We know the presence of chlorophyll, plants take part photosynthesis process and they can make their food by themselves. But in fungi there is no chlorophyll. We can see there is no chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. So they are heterophyte or saprophytic. That means they depend other organisms for their food. So they depend other saprophytic means they depend dead bodies or organic depend for their food. They depends on dead organisms. So here is the next short question. Why is virus called acellular organism? Acellular organism. So in your book here is you can find this answer here. If you open this page, page number 2, here is the answer. I have written here a demo answer. Virus cannot be seen without electric microscope. These are the simplest organisms. So they are very simple and we cannot see without electric microscope. So we cannot see virus without electric microscope. So they are very simple organism. In virus cell wall, plasma membrane, organized nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. are absent. In virus, cell wall, plasma membrane, organized nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. are absent. So virus body is also called acellular. If you see page number 3, you can find 2 and 3, you can find the answer here, and here is more information about this virus. Here is they are composed of only protein coating and nucleic acid. If you see this picture, here is T2 virus. We can see this is made of protein and DNA. That means nucleic acid. If nucleic acid gets out of protein coating, they lose all properties of life. When the protein coating and nucleic acid are gathered in another organism, they regain the properties of life. So dear student, I hope you have understood. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. I hope you will do your assignment properly and you will submit your assignment in due date. That means here is due date of submission your assignment 15, 11 and another date is 16, 11, 20. So dear student, submit your assignment, do your assignment properly and submit it properly. Thank you so much.